a centennial BIOBASE, a global brand. Rooted in diversified fields, serving a healthy future, adhering to the belief of satisfying customers. Business covers medical devices, laboratory equipment, purification projects, cosmetics products, and healthcare products, providing comprehensive products and system solutions for all scenarios. With over 2 decades of dedicated development, BIOBASE is committed to becoming a benchmark in the global health industry. Based on the theme of technological innovation, BIOBASE has cumulatively obtained over 1,400 patents, boasting 25 major industrial parks. The business covers more than 180 countries and regions. BIOBASE International Department undertake key collaborations with solid strength. We solidify the foundation of transnational health undertakings. Every efficient fulfillment of large-scale project order is a silent testament to our capabilities. 24-hour global after-sales service response. Reliable commitment have earned us the trust of global partners. Come with demands and return with consensus. We write new chapters of cooperation in every listening and communication process, taking innovation as wings and the global market as soil. BIOBASE strides forward with courage and resolve toward its mission of safeguarding human health and beauty, unwavering and steadfast.